Good evening everyone. Good evening Renuka. Let's wait for the students to join in and then we'll begin with our class. Good evening Sayanti. Good evening Mansha. Let everyone join in, then we'll start with the class. Okay, today we'll be discussing June 2021 previous year questions. Some other questions we'll be discussing today. Okay, so I hope your preparation is going well, right? Exam is very close. I'm expecting you all are studying properly, preparing properly, right? Right, let's begin. So first thing, if you are targeting the December examination, please make sure that we have started off with our December 2023 full course for you all from 15th of May, that is yesterday. So you can download the application. Yes, we have our own application, so you can download the application from the iOS as well as from the Android and get yourself enrolled in the same, right? So we have our application, we have our own website as well. You can download, like you can just type down botanyinsider.com. you will be able to visit the complete website and get to understand the same. Good evening Madhusmita, right? This is the very first question for you all. The question is, the following statements are given to you in accordance with the tracheary elements of the vascular plants, right? 4 of these statements are given and you need to find out which of the following is the correct statement. Okay, you need to find out the combination of the correct statements. Okay, give it a try everyone. Done. Good evening Selva. Everyone quickly mark the answer. Okay, let's check. The answer for this particular question is option number B, that is A and C are the correct answers for, like A and C is the correct option for this particular question. That is, xylem tracheids are highly elongated tapered end that conduct the water, and then angiosperms may have both the vessels and the tracheids. Okay, remember about this particular thing. Answer for this is option number B, right? A and C is the correct answer. It was a factual question. Okay. Next question. Now this one is related to your phytochrome interacting factors. Okay. Give it a try to this particular question, everyone. Think about this question and mark the answer in the chat section. Okay, very good. Everyone mark the answer for this particular question. Very good, very good. Okay, let's see. The answer for this particular question is yes, option number B, right? Everyone, please participate in the class. If you are there in the class, please make sure that you are marking all the answers as well, right? So, following are certain statements that are given to us regarding the phytochrome interacting factors, that is a family of the proteins that regulate the photomorphogenic response in the plants. You need to find out the combination of the correct statement, right? So answer for this is option number B. Second option, that is phytochrome interacting factors on interaction with PR gets phosphorylated followed by degradation and degradation via the proteasomal pathway. It is not PR form. Which form is it? Yes, try to write down the correct answer over here, like the correct explanation that which particular form of the phytochrome would be helping. Think about it. Done? It is the PFR form. Very good. Let's move forward. Next question for you all. So this question is related to your Z scheme or the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Give it a try to this question everyone, very very important, and time and again question gets repeated from this particular area. Give it a try. Done everyone, very good, very good. Let's see. So during the light reaction in the photosynthesis, the electron is transported. The electrons are transported in the ETC and produces ATP and NADPH in the process. Following are certain statements regarding the ETC during the light reaction. First one is electron with the P680 moves to first quinone and then to pheophytin. Is this option correct? No, right? It is first the pheophytin and then the plastoquinone A and then plastoquinone B followed by cytochrome B6F complex, then plastocyanin, right? So I can eliminate option number first segment. So if I can eliminate first, then I can remove off 3 of the statements. So even without reading all of the 4 statements, with the help of elimination method, I have reached to my correct answer, then that is option number 4, right? B, C and D is the correct answer for this question. With this, remember one thing, Z scheme is very very important. Time and again question gets repeated. This one is 2021. In the same manner in 2022 as well, the question was there regarding the photosynthesis concept itself. So every single thing is important in this, be it the complete pathway plus all the inhibitors as well. So make sure that you remember all these things, right? Next question, this one is related to your cancer cell and the cancer stem cells. Okay, give it a try to this question everyone. Give it a try. let's see the correct answer for this. 8 students are there in the class right now. Please everyone try to mark the answer for this. Okay, so following statements are given to us regarding the cancer cells and the cancer stem cells, right? So cancer cells mostly have a mutation, whereas cancer stem cell do not. Second option, cancer cell divide to form two different population of the cells, whereas cancer stem cell do not divide. Third, cancer stem cells can undergo self-renewal, whereas the cancer cells cannot. Fourth, cancer cells are predominantly resistant to the chemotherapy and the radiation. And the fifth option is the cancer stem cells are found only in the bone marrow and the placenta. Answer for this is option number A, that is A and C is the correct answer for this particular question. First and third option is only correct, except for this all the other statements are incorrect. That is, cancer cells mostly have the mutation, whereas stem cells do not. Then they can undergo self-renewal, but the cancer cells cannot undergo self-renewal. Okay, answer for this is A and C. Remember about this particular thing, it's a new thing, but make sure that you keep a note of this particular answer and the concept. Okay, next question. This question is regarding that you are given few of the features and it is asking you which of the following statement is correct in terms of the statement on the shade leaves via or in comparison to the sun leaves. That is, those leaves that are growing in the shade leaves and in the sun leaves, what is the major difference between the two? Okay, or we can say which features are there in the shade leaves in comparison to the sun leaves. You need to find it out. Okay, give it a try to this everyone. Okay, very good, very good. Everyone give it a try to this, then we'll solve it out together. Done everyone? Okay, let's see. So the answer for just a second. Yeah, so we have 10 students in the class. Please make sure all of you are participating. Answer for this particular question is option number C, that is A, B and D. It is asking us that in the shade leaves, which of the properties would be shown as compared to the leaves that are grown in the sun. So high amount of chlorophyll per dry weight, lower density of the stomata and the lower rates of the dark transpiration per unit area. These three would be there, but thicker leaves won't be there in case of your shade leaves as compared, like in if you leave out the option C, all the other 3 statements or all the other 3 features would be there in your shade leaves. Okay, remember about this particular thing, very very important. Next question. Now this particular question is, certain statements are given to you regarding the root growth and the differentiation in the plants. You need to find out which of the following combination of statement is correct. Okay, give it a try to this question, everyone. Done, everyone? Okay. Why high amount of chlorophyll per unit area? Reason in previous question how one is correct. Okay, let's understand this and then we'll switch over to the previous question. Okay, Mansha and Avi, right? Just let's understand this and then I'll complete your doubt over there. Okay, answer for this is option number B. This one is a factual thing, or this one is theoretical question, I would say, where you had to keep in mind the complete information and then you can easily solve out this question. Okay, just check, is there any doubt in this question? If not, then I'll explain you the previous one. Check, everyone, is it clear or not? Yes. Okay, so for the previous question, look over here. The question is saying that the following statements were made and we need to find out that why in the, like, which of the features are there in the shade leaves as compared to the ones that are there in the sun leaves. Shade leaves and sun leaves, the major difference is the leaves that are grown in the shade area and the leaves that are grown in the sun area. Okay, so first one is high amount of chlorophyll per unit area. Reason being, in the shade leaves there is already less amount of light present, so it need to photosynthesize, right? So for having efficient photosynthesis, it need to have high amount of chlorophyll, right? Next, low density of the stomata should be there in order to have low transpiration rate. Okay, third, thicker leaves. So in the sun leaves we find thicker cuticle, palisade tissues are there, and not in the shade leaves. And lower rate of dark transpiration per unit area is found in the shade leaves as compared to the sun leaves. So Avi, I hope your doubt is clear. Why high amount of chlorophyll? In order to have efficient photosynthesis, because it is already having less amount of less amount of sunlight. In order to have the maximum utility of whatever sunlight they get, to get maximum affinity, and plus to have more or the maximum possible photosynthesizing content done. Okay. How to solve part A? Practice as much as you can. Rajesh, you are asking the similar questions almost on daily basis. You have to practice out. You have to do as much hard work as you can. Okay. Mansha and Avi, is your doubt clear, both of you? Let me know in the chat section. And Rajesh, study as much as you can, because practicing out the previous year question is the only possible reason for your previous year, for the part A, not just A, for part B, part C, all of them. And if you're finding difficulty, join in our batch. Okay, we have a full-fledged course running for you all. Okay, so if you're targeting the June or the December, like if you're targeting the December examination, we have a full course running. You can join in that course. शेड प्लांट्स में ट्रांसपिरेशन कम क्यों होना चाहिए? शेड प्लांट्स में ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा पानी अवेलेबल है, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा ट्रांसपिरेशन होना चाहिए ना अभी, राइट? बिकॉज सन लीव्स को पानी प्रोटेक्ट करना है, बिकॉज वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हीट है. शेड लीव्स के पास बहुत ज़्यादा पानी है, तो उनको ज़्यादा ट्रांसपिरेशन होना चाहिए ताकि वो वाटर को लूज आउट करके अपनी ऑस्मोटिक बैलेंस को मेंटेन कर सके. क्लियर? योर इज अ डाउट क्लियर नाउ? ऑप्शन ए इज क्लियर. ओके. एंड द सेकंड डाउट? Yes. Right, so these were the questions for you all. I hope these questions are helping you out on daily basis, right? I took one revision session yesterday for the plant physiology, but students are more interested in the questions itself, so we'll continue with our question series on daily basis. Okay, good luck everyone, take care, all the best, perform well in the upcoming examination. And also I'm expecting you all are watching all the videos that we are uploading from our end on our YouTube channel, so that you can have a much better approach towards the upcoming exam. Okay, all the best, good luck, take care, bye everyone, let's meet tomorrow. Okay, how to solve PYQ? PYQ should be solved like you should sit and read and then solve it. Now there is no other way. You should have, like Rajesh, if you are finding any difficulty now, you should have a mentor, because there is no other way. Previous year question should be solved. First you should understand the concept, and then you should proceed ahead with the previous year questions. How many years? 2013 to 2022, at least 10-year paper. That is a least possible, like the least requirement. You can do as many as possible, because the more you revise, the more you practice, the better results you are going to get. Okay, so everyone, if you are new to our Botany Insider, please hit the subscribe button. We have to reach 11K soon. Let's increase our community, and also do not forget to download our application. Okay, good luck, take care, bye everyone.